Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys. So today I'm gonna try out a couple of foundations that I have. So I have a couple of new ones that I've bought recently, and I have a couple of my favorite ones. So I'll just try it out and let you guys. It's just a foundation haul, if you want to call it like that. So you'll get an idea which foundation what kind of foundation you like if you watch this video. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna start with my favorite foundation right now. This is K Beauty foundation, and it's in the shade 155 white tan, and I have a full review on this foundation. So if you want to check it out, you can do that. This comes with a pump like this. So I'll just swatch and show it to you guys like how it looks like. So that's the foundation. It looks like this, but when you blend it out, I will show you guys. So when you blend it out, it's exactly my shade, and it's like buildable coverage. So you can either go for a very sheer look, or you can go with 2 layers and have a full coverage look. So I'll show you guys. So this is like thick layer. This one is a bit expensive. It's not like too expensive, but this one I think it was 1200 rupees. So if you are okay with that rate, you have to go with this because it gives like this very glowy dewy look. So yeah, this is how it looks like without anything else. It's like without color correction or without anything. It's just base. Okay, so once you're done with this, if you go ahead with a powder and contouring and everything, it looks really good. So this is my favorite foundation right now. And on the other side, I'm gonna show you guys Miss Claire Everyday Foundation, which is very affordable, and I have a review on this one as well. This one, it's like a little bit is enough for the entire face. So yeah, it has a really good coverage as well. So I'll just show you guys. So this is a bit lighter than my skin tone. So I mean, it's actually very light than my skin tone, but I bought the wrong shade. But again, it doesn't give me that gray. You blend it out, it actually oxidizes, and it matches with your skin tone. So it's not that bad. It gives a very good coverage. So yeah, I might probably have to go with the darker shade because it's making me too fair, but it has a really good coverage. And yeah, so this is way too light for my skin tone, I know that. But once you contour and everything, it's gonna be fine. So this one is way too light for my skin tone, but I just wanted to show you guys how the formula is. It's like really watery, but it has very good coverage. So even if it's like really light for my skin tone, I can actually mix it with a darker shade foundation, and I can make it look better on my skin. But as of now, when it's just base, it looks like this, but when you contour and everything, it looks fine. And this side is exactly my shade. This is K Beauty, and this is Miss Claire. This one is actually it's just 300 and something rupees if I'm not wrong. I'll put the links down below if you guys want to check it out. So that is that, and now I'm gonna just remove this and go ahead with the next option. So if you're exactly my skin tone, if you're buying Miss Claire, either you can go for the shade if you want like very bright face, but I don't really recommend that. So you can go for one shade darker than this. This is caramel, so one shade darker than caramel will work fine for you. Or if you're like one shade lighter than me, this might work perfect for you. So yeah, That is the first two comparison. And the Sugar Cosmetics Rage for Coverage 24 Hours Foundation, and this one is, my god, it's very thick, and it's like too thick, so you just have to take a little bit and just blend it out. So this side I'm gonna show oh my god, it's too much. It's like I've just taken only a very little bit, but it's too much. So yeah, this side is Sugar Cosmetics Rage for Coverage, and this one is a bit too yellowish for my skin tone, but this is the shade that I thought is almost near to my skin tone, and this one is 47 Borgia, Borgia. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, this one is almost my skin tone, but it's a little too yellow. So yeah, I'm just giving you an idea. So if you can't find the exact skin tone as yours, you know, many foundation doesn't have a lot of range when it comes to dark skin tones. So whatever you can get, you can like work with it. So yeah, this one is very thick, I have to say, and it's really good coverage also. So if you want like a full face good coverage makeup, this is actually really good. So yeah, this one is what I used for my pre-wedding shoot, and it actually stayed for very long. You know, I had shoot in sun and everything, but it was fine. So this one is 47 Borgia. This is Sugar Cosmetics. And the next one that I'm gonna try is Colorbar. This is a new one that I bought. I'm trying it for the first time, and I hope this is exactly my skin tone, because I actually heard really good reviews about this. So this is Colorbar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation in the shade FW 7.3, and this is for 995 rupees. And the Sugar Cosmetics one was 1799 rupees, Sugar Cosmetics foundation, and this one is 995 rupees, and I hope this is my shade. Okay guys, when you open this, it comes like a pump like this. So I'm just gonna take it on my hand. Let me see. I hope this is okay. This looks like my skin tone. Oh, this is exactly my skin tone. My god, I'm in love. Okay, can you guys see that? It is exactly my skin tone. So let me blend it out and see how it looks like. And it smells really good. I'm not sure if it's a good thing. Oh wow, this is exactly my skin tone, you guys. So if you are exactly my skin tone and you want foundation which is exactly your skin tone, go for this. This one is FW 7.3, and it's just 993 rupees, 95 rupees. Yeah, I'm in love. It's really good. Okay, so this one is Colorbar, and this side is Sugar Cosmetics. Both are okay. This is a bit yellow undertone. This is exactly my skin tone. This is like a neutral undertone, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, these are the foundations that I wanted to try it out with you guys. I have one more foundation, to be honest, Faces Canada, but I'll just show it to you guys. This is, I bought it online. You know, when you buy foundation online, it's really difficult to get your own correct skin tone, but then you have to do a lot of research and find out similar skin tone beauty bloggers and find out what they are using and compare to your skin tone. You have to just gamble and buy one shade. That's what I did for this one, but this one is really not my shade, so I tried it out and I can't return it also. So there is no point in showing it to you guys on my face, so I'll just show it to you here. And it's very liquidy, as you guys can see, but when you blend it out, it's really easy to blend it out, but it's really not my shade. It's very white, so I might give it to one of my friends with lighter skin tone, or I just buy the darker shade and just blend it out with this one and use it. So you can actually do that. If you accidentally buy a foundation which is really light for you, you can buy a darker shade and then mix it up with this one and use it. That's what I usually do because I feel really guilty when I throw out foundation. So this one, it actually looks really good, but I'm not sure, you know, I have to try and buy the next shade and see if it works for my skin. So this one is K-Beauty is my favorite. It's exactly my skin tone. It has a dewy finish, and this is 155 white tan. And the next one that I showed is Miss Claire Everyday Foundation. This is a bit light for my skin tone. Actually, it's a lot light for my skin tone, but I like the texture, I like the coverage. So if you buy a shade darker than this, it will be perfect. So this one was caramel, so I actually want a shade darker than this, but this one will also work if you contour really well and if you mix it with a darker foundation. So that, and the next foundation that I tried is the Sugar Cosmetics 24 hours Rage for Coverage 24 hours foundation, and this one is really thick. It's really good coverage, but it's a bit yellowish on my skin. Other shade might work for me, but this also works for me. I've used it many times. So this one is 47 Borgia, and the next one that I showed is Colorbar, which is exactly my skin tone, and I like the texture also. It feels so lightweight, and it's called 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. It's called weightless, so I can feel it's weightless, but it's a bit sticky, so you might go ahead with the translucent powder on top of this. This one on the other hand is not at all sticky, it's matte, but yeah. So this one is FW 7.3, and the last foundation that I showed you guys is from Faces Canada, and this one is Ultimate Pro Second Skin Foundation, and it actually feels very light on your skin. It has this silky texture, but this one is clearly not my shade. This one is 41 Soft Sand. They have a shade 42 that might work for me. I'm gonna buy that next time and see if it works for me, and I'll let you guys know on my Instagram. Follow me over there. So if you have any follow-up doubts on this, you can text me on Instagram. I'll get back to you. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys